Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can export your threads and conversations you have had with Perplexity AI using the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this, guys. So launch the Comet AI browser on your computer or laptop and log into your Perplexity account. And as you probably know, guys, Comet AI will save each and every conversation you have had so far with Perplexity AI so that you may access these chats and conversations, or they are called threads here. So to access these, guys, hover your mouse over that left sidebar here, over that home button, and click into library. Let me open it in a new tab. And here, guys, under library, navigate to threads or start a new thread if you like. And after that, simply navigate to the given thread. Let me go with that most recent one. Click into it. And that's, for example, a chat or conversation you have had with the artificial intelligence. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into these three dots in the top right corner and select export as PDF. You may also go with one of these options. I will go with PDF. And after that, Perplexity/Comet AI will start exporting that exact thread with the entire chat or conversation history of you in PDF file format and save it on your device. And that's it, guys, so that you may access your conversation also in offline or on your device, guys. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.